Hi all, my name is Scott, and I'm going to be your facilitator during this workshop. I really look forward to connecting with you. In fact, this week is all about connecting. You're going to connect with the course content, take a look at everything that we've got ahead of us, and then more importantly, drill down a little bit here on Module 1 and see what we're going to be doing this first week. You're also going to be connecting with each other. You're going to be doing that through Slack. And if Slack isn't something that you're familiar with, there's some helper information in the course that should get you started. Also, Wednesday night at 6 o'clock Eastern Standard Time is our live session. That'll be a great way to connect with each other. Now, I realize life happens, and time-wise, there's never a great time for all of us to connect, right? Because I know we're busy. But this is one of those times that the live session is definitely worth trying to make space if you can. If you can't, there will be a recording, but it'd be great to see you Wednesday night. Take a look around the course, see what's ahead, and I really look forward to spending time with you as we explore online teaching.